Hi everyone, welcome back to my Lupus Diary. This is Disha for you, and I hope you all are doing awesome. Now, today we are going to talk on one of the most important subjects when it comes to lupus management, and that is how we are supposed to deal with lupus and sun sensitivity. Yes, and the most important thing is that any time of the year sun is going to be a issue for lupus patients, but what are we dealing with during summers is a major concern for every single lupus patient. Now, how do you avoid the flare-ups that you face during lupus and summer, especially during summer with lupus? So that is what you're going to discuss in this particular vlog. So if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe before we begin the vlog. And now let us begin. So, lupus and sun sensitivity. What is sun sensitivity for lupus? It is photosensitivity. Yes, lupus patients are mostly prone to be allergic or sensitive to the UV rays, and that can create not only skin issues like rashes and blisters for lupus patients or a sunstroke kind of thing for lupus patient, but it can even cause internal inflammation that can literally cause damage to the organs. And internal inflammation can be more hazardous if you are a patient like me who not only suffers from lupus but has a lot of goodies in a bag with lupus, like I have gastroparesis and celiac. So with gastroparesis, my stomach is more sluggish during summers because already the sun is affecting due to lupus. So it is more sluggish in my case. So now what I have to do is I have to keep myself hydrated. That is one thing you do when you have to manage lupus and sun. So I have to keep myself hydrated. I try to have more liquids than solids. So I have ensured, then I have Gatorade supplements or drinks that will give me energy as well as take care of my nutrition. That is what you are supposed to keep in mind. Other than that, you can have your daily supplements that you are already having, which your doctors have already prescribed you. Plus, you can always bulk up on water as much as you can tolerate. With gastroparesis, I can't have too much of liquid as well. Now, if you have only lupus, then also sun does affect your gut system a vast level, and that is when what I used to do when I did not have gastroparesis. That time also I used to bulk up on yogurt smoothies and more of buttermilk or chash as we call, or I used to have more of a lassi, that is yogurt smoothie, a sweet smoothie with some fruits added in it, or just like that with some nice sugar or maple syrup, and it gives an amazing taste. It is filling too, so I don't usually strain my system during summers, and I keep it as light as possible. So yeah, and if you have gastroparesis, please avoid fiber. It is going to be worst for you to have fiber during summers because your system is going to be in a bad condition anyways, right? So don't have fiber. Try to avoid as much fiber as possible. 3-4 grams a day is okay. Then you also need to always make sure you wear UV based clothes. UV protected clothes is essential. So you don't invest much in shopping for party wear, but invest in at least 2 pair of UV wear clothes. That is very important, guys. So please do that. Apart from that, always remember that you are also supposed to get your sunscreen sorted. So wear a physical sunscreen or the chemical sunscreen, that does not matter. Wear what actually suits you. So wear the sunscreen that suits you, but you have to wear it continuously. Every day, reapply it every 3-4 hours as per the strength of your sunscreen. It at least has to be 50 SPF plus. PPA plus sunscreen at least. If you will wake up at times or daily just to feel good or by going out or you are at work, then make sure that you wear makeup that has SPF. It will give you double protection, and it will also help you not get the inflammation caused by sun. And this is not even sometimes what doctors tell you, that why do get inflamed so much during summers. But this is what is the truth, that if you are protected from the sun, the summers are not going to be that harmful for you. So even while indoors, wear your UV protection all the time, stay safe, and that is most important. Apart from that, you always need to take care about your daily hygienes, like your you have to make sure you have your other things sorted. Also, you have to make sure that you have your medications on time, and because these medications are having heat and they make your body a bit more heated, you are supposed to have cooling drinks, which are going to help you a lot with everything related to summer problems. So have cooling drinks, like you can have yogurt smoothies, or you can also have uh, fennel tea, ice fennel tea. Now I'll give you a recipe in the next vlog about ice fennel tea, but until that time you at least start having yogurt smoothies, and that is also going to be good for you. Apart from that, you just need to always keep in mind the basics about sun protection and lupus, and I think you'll be sorted for the summers that are coming by, just coming by. And rest. A happy Easter to everybody out there. I hope you guys have fun, and also stay safe, stay home, stay protected with coronavirus. I hope you guys are all happy and healthy. Wish you all the best. Take care. See you next vlog. Bye bye.